LCD separating process. Put the glass with frame into the alignment mode to line and fit the LCD screen. Take out the screen and align the mat. Open the laminating cavity door and put the screen in. Note that press the start button to start the element to avoid damaging the screen IC. After bonding, take out the screen. It has bubble, then proceed to deboning work. Press the debubbler button and let the air out of cylinder. Open the steel door. Put the screen in. 3 beeps alarming after 10分钟 use of gel bubble time. Press the debubbler button. Open the steel door and take out the screen to check if the bubbles are gone. Finally, fact display.